Hello everybody and welcome to Dryer Days Art Studio. I'm Catherine. Thank you so much for being here today. Well, we're doing another 2-for-1 today with some coral and pink and peach and gold pieces here. These are both done on 12 by 12 inch board using a couple different products today, which you'll see in just a second. Some real semi-precious stones, that is Mexican opal there, and also using some moonstone, which you'll see right there in that left corner. And I am very happy with how these turned out, and I really hope you guys enjoy this video. This is a very fast time lapse of my prep work. I just wanted to show what goes into that. Like I said, I am using real semi-precious stones here. I am also using glitter, shard glitter, glass glitter, mirrored glass, and as you can see, I already have laid down my paint and everything and my epoxy sculpt so that I know where I want everything to go, but I just wanted to show how I go about this process. Above the piece here are the additives that I will be using in this piece. I am using Golden Sand by Artisan Pigments. I'm using a couple craft paints by Deco Art. I am using Peachy Mica Pigment Powder by RESIN. And I'm also using Angel White Epoxy Pigment Paste by RESIN. I am using Stone Coat Art Resin, and I'm drizzling it over the loose sections as I do in every video. You can check out my other videos more in depth about that. I wanted to make this video a little bit quicker. I know I'm doing 2 pieces here, but I didn't want to really go on at length about these 2. I have longer videos if you would like to check those out. I have some buttons after the video, or you can hit the lowercase I in the upper right hand corner to see more videos. Check out the video description for all the products I use, including discount codes for some of the products. I do have a discount code for Stone Coat Art Resin, and I also have a discount code for RESIN Pigments through Laura's Art Corner, so please check out the description. I also have an Amazon shop where you can find all of my favorite products that I use, and that's all in the description. I hope you guys enjoy this video. I will be back in a little bit. 3 hours later, and I'm removing that tape, pulling up and away from the piece so that the tape doesn't fold back in and mess anything up, and just blending it in the edges and the sides. I did go in with my Uni Posca markers and added some lines in, some detailing. And you can see there the peach and the coral colors, they just look beautiful together. So lovely. I love the RESIN and the Artisan pigments. I hope you all enjoyed this video. Come find me on Instagram at Drier Days. I also have a Facebook group, Drier Days Art Studio Resin and Fluid Painting Group. And thank you so much for watching, and until next time, keep on pouring.